Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how ETABS doesn't apply CD factor to amplify deflection, displacement, and drift values. Let's get into it. I've created a model already, defined the load patterns and defined the seismic load pattern along with a separate load pattern for drift check. Let me show you that here. I've defined a pattern named EX drift with type seismic drift and the lateral load set to ASCE 722. If I modify the lateral load, you can see the CD factor is set to 2. Now I go to the display menu and select show tables. I already selected the story drift table. I want to show the result only for EX drift load case. So I select it in the load case panel and click OK. Let's look at the result for the X direction only. I select X and export this table to Excel. Okay, the table is here. You can see the drift values. Now I want to change the CD factor in the load pattern setting and show you that the result doesn't change. I go to Define menu, Load Patterns, EX Drift. I change the CD factor to 7 and run the analysis again. I get the story drift table and select the X direction. I export it to Excel again. Here is the new table. I copied this alongside the previous one so you can see the comparison. For each story, the value is identical. So changing the CD factor in the load pattern settings does not affect the drift value in ETABS at all. Therefore, we have to apply it manually. When you read the drift value from ETABS, you must multiply it by the CD factor to get the correct amplified drift result. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, I will be glad to see you in the comments.